All right, it's Monday, July 1st, just following up on NVDA. You can see it's now moved higher to take out the highs of the day and the pre-market highs up here above 124. So I bought it here at about 123, just scaled out to set up a no-risk trade. It kind of lowers my break-even stop to somewhere down here, point lower. So just bought the stock at 122.99. I scaled out at 124 to set up a no-risk trade, and now I get to see what really unfolds here for the rest of the day. We're still below the midpoint of the prior day on the daily chart. It's just the type of thing where we try to break out of a 3-day, inside kind of price action to the downside. Intraday structure looked like it wanted to head up a little bit. So now we get to see, do we kind of follow through all the way up to the midpoint of these 3-bar range and then get to the high of that and start on the weekly chart reversal to the upside. We're not there yet. It's just a bit pause week. If we get a 2-up week, that'll be a good sign for bigger picture price action to the upside. But for now, there was high probability given this opening price action, the way it came down on bar number 1 and 2 and couldn't really follow through, came up a little bit to the halfway point of that big red bar and then couldn't really start down. Instead, it wanted to move up, that it was going to take out this area. So like I said, it's no risk right trade right now. I get to watch it closely. It kind of see this could be a logical pause area. We come all the way back down. There's no doubt about that. But I'll break even, if it comes back to my entry point. And it was just the type of thing I wanted to kind of test and see if the market might be holding in here and wanting to start up. I don't really sense that in the with the bigger indexes that we're heading higher here after last week's close. But one of those stocks that is strong, and the big picture is certainly up, and eventually I think it's going to take out this high, these highs up here in some form, or start heading up there again. So anyway, no risk right now. Just thought I'd follow through that. You did get the immediate kind of follow through to the target, able to scale out here, set up a no-risk trade, even take a base hit gain if you want to. Break even stops all the way down here, but 122. But I won't let it get there. If it really fails up in this area, it's a logical pause area. So we'll just see what happens on this one. Hopefully it'll just pause in this logical area and then continue higher. But we'll find out at no risk.